actionable step number 4. You can dispute anything on your credit. Things that are outside of the bankruptcy, if they are still on there, try and dispute them, get them off your credit, have a clean slate. There are some instances where you can even get a bankruptcy removed. This unfortunately can only be done if it is not yours, if it's inaccurate, or if it's misreported. So if it has any of those 3 criteria, try and dispute them. In the process of disputing anything that's on your credit that's negative, bringing it down. The bankruptcies being the exception, those usually will stick around anywhere from 7 to 10 years. It's 10 years for a Chapter 7 bankruptcy and 7 years for a Chapter 13 bankruptcy.